we celebrate the 100th anniversary of the establishment of the Communist Party. We are just marking a milestone in the journey of the Chinese nation as a republic. As a civilization, that China has a very long history. But as a republic, it has a short history. And therefore, to move forward, to find a way to the future, requires a lot of experimentation. Who leads the Chinese people in finding a way to the future? The Western system cannot work in China. It has to be with the Chinese Communist Party. That China, in fact, is very big and very successful. It's now possibly the most digital society in the world. People are buying and selling on the internet. Everywhere you have facial recognition. People don't use cash. Artificial intelligence will be very developed in China. China has more robots than any country in the world, and many of them are intelligent robots. Urban society, neural networks, digital civilization, all this presents new challenges for human beings around the world. China is probably the most advanced.